we doing? What's up, YouTube? It's Rheumatic back at it with another video. Heading out to Toys For Tots at Copella Customs in Branford, Connecticut. Yeah, it's a nice Saturday. I brought out the GTR. We're out here in the GTR. You know, got Smurf over there chilling on the dash. Smurf and Smurf. You know, see the blue hood. Okay. So, just gonna make a quick stop down there. Drop off some toys for the tots. And, yeah, should be pretty cool. I'll try to do some a little bit of vlogging down there, and yeah, I'll check back in with you guys. How's it going?
In my pocket, taking flights at a time.
Look at my nice salad chicken.
Yeah, definitely. Really nice. Has the Mickey Thompson on the back. Ready to party. Man, that's really nasty. That rubber there. Ooh, fire. Fire. did want one of these, you know, as a family tow truck, but yeah, I don't know about the gas on it, but they're super fast with the 6.4 292. That's on there. Military truck, Humvee. Cadillac. This is nasty. Got 21s in the rear. All around. Turbo joint. Yeah. Nasty Gladiator. Good grief. 40s. 22s with 40s. Good grief. The bigger tire makes the rim look so much bigger. Nasty. Wow. Nasty. This is nasty. 40-inch tires, that's crazy.
It's sick.
Yeah. King off-road.
I didn't even see that's a Jeep style.
I can't even get in there.
I'll fucking rip my pants.
Yeah, definitely. Twist my ankle trying to get out. Yes. They got some of these, they do like the Hellcat swaps in there. Yeah. Demon swaps and... Yeah, that has to be sketchy.
Oh, yeah. just pulley and a tune.
Wow, that's all you really need, right?
Yeah.
I see you got the Mickey Thompson on the back.
Yeah.
You take it to the track or?
Not yet.
Okay.
Next year.
Yeah. See a little rubber there.
A little bit.
Awesome, man. You're so fast with the transmission. How do you like that?
I love it.
Yeah. So these are a 10-speed or?
7.
7-speed.
7-speed
Okay.
DCT.
Okay. DCT. Okay. Man, they move nuts. So are you on E85 or just pump?
No, just pump right now.
Okay.
Hopefully E next year.
What do they put down with like a pulley and a tube?
And the 7s.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's huge.
Yeah, for basically stock car.
Yes. Oh, that's dope. Yeah. I have the GTR.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Check it out. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
We used to have one, but it just got too expensive to mod.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, definitely.
You know, you get to a point and then you got to spend big
Oh
money
no,
to get it.
it's sickening. Yeah.
No, it's beautiful.
Especially when you get to the transmission, that's where it soaks up a lot of money.
What year?
That's a 13.
13?
Yeah, and Tom did the wrap, and then we put the new front on.
Yep.
Yeah, just to update it.
No, it looks nice. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice color.
Yep. The cool thing is like these cars make so much power, but you could drive with AC everywhere. You could go anywhere.
Yeah.
Like that. That's such a great luxury. Like I even have my kids in the back, and you know.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy now, but I'm not. It's nice to have.
Yes. So these with 700, that got to be like a low. Hey, what is that? Is that a high 9 second?
High 9, low 10.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yep.
That's amazing. Just with that amount of work, you're a 9-second car.
Yeah.
And back in the day, that was the goal, just to be in the 10s.
E would definitely put you in the 9s.
Yeah. Man, do you follow Stang Mode on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. I went to a Poconos event and he was there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he had his Mustang, but he ran into issues that day.
Yep. Yeah, I just follow him.
Yeah. Yeah, he was making some good power, like over 1,000 or so.
Yeah, he's been doing a bunch of stuff to it.
Yeah. A beautiful car.
I think we're gonna get out of
All
here.
right. All right.
You too, man.
All right. Oh, that sounds so good.